Okay, my name is Jayne Kihara, member of National Assembly, representing Naivasha Constituency. This is my third term. I come from the county where people have decided to vote women. Our governor, our center, we have 4 MPs, we have 8 MCAs. So actually the two-third gender rule Nakuru has met. What makes it important for us is our trailblazers. Our Alison Chelaita is the one who started. Being a mayor in Nakuru, she became an MP. So it is not very difficult for us in Nakuru because those who have been there have worked for the people, and we are still working, and we hope we are going to get more. My message to women is that they must be confident. You must believe in yourself. What you think you can change, you cannot not change it from the house. You need to come out. You need to come out and tell your ideas and say what you have, so that then you are visible. Visibility is very, very important. Women have got great ideas, but they fear to come out. So my call is on women, and then when we get there, drive an agenda. For example, now I have a serious problem with the boy child. The boy child currently, we don't know where we are heading. They are taking drugs from primary school. They are taking alcohol, and generally not doing very well in school. So I have to have an agenda is to drive this term to make sure that I'm heard. I want to join Her Excellency Dorcas Gachagua, who I'm very happy about, because at that level, it means that at least we have somebody to emulate or to work with, because we are the people on the ground. So here we are. Let us all wake up for our son, not leaving our daughters though, but where are you men for this youth? Because I think the men have definitely failed in bringing that boy close to him so that he gets to know what he's supposed to do. When they leave it to us, they will leave us at some stage, but they need that father figure. So let us all make it our problem, because when our son is destroyed, he is a seed carrier. We as a society, we are no more. International Women's Day is just it. What I've said, we need to celebrate ourselves. We have come from very far. We have come from the kitchen to the table, and we are making decisions. We need to take care of the family. The family unit is the beginning of society. The family unit is destroyed, then we have no society, we have no country. So women, let us come out and celebrate, and also get an agenda for ourselves. What is it that we want for this nation? Congratulations.